How to fix microphone not working on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix if your microphone is not working on your Windows device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings and check if your microphone access is turned on or not. For that, open up your settings and then head over to privacy and security. Now click on the permissions. Scroll down a bit until you find microphone. Just click on it and make sure that the microphone access is turned on. After this, what you want to do is head over to your inputs. So click on Bluetooth and devices, and then from here you want to head over to sounds. So just click on system, click on sound. Now from here you want to manage this microphone level and then click on all sound devices. Go back and click on more sound settings. So click on more sound settings here. Another window will pop up. Now head over to recording and see if the microphone that you're using is here or not. So if you want, you could also show disable or disconnected devices to view all of your previous devices. Now click on properties, right click on your microphone, head over to properties, and then from here head over to levels. Make sure that the level is high, because sometimes if the level is low it will seem like your microphone is not working and the input will be very low sound. And after doing all of that, if it still does not fixes your problem, then open up your settings first and then head over to troubleshoot. So click on system and click on troubleshoot, and now click on other troubleshooter. If you find your microphone here, just run the troubleshooter and it will automatically fix the problem for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.